How to create WorldPay account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create a new WorldPay account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly in any of your web browser, you need to type www.worldplay.com. After that, in its official website at the top right corner, you will see the option of sign in or sign up. So as we are creating a new account, simply choose sign up option. Then after, provide your email and a new password for your account and click on create an account. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email. So after providing those verification code, you will be able to validate your identification. So that's it. That is how easily you can create WorldPay account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.